Welcome to the St. Louis Spirit Airport, where the air show is underway and families with children and adults are enjoying a beautiful sunny Sunday afternoon.
Whether they're checking out the Clydesdales, rock climbing, or seeing all the static airplanes on display, everyone is waiting for more aerial acrobatics and the Blue Angels. Kris Boyd came all the way from Edwardsville, Illinois to enjoy the St. Louis Air Show. This is what he had to say.
There's just a ton of military events going on with the National Guard and the Marines, and all different expos and everything going on. So it's really fun, just a fun day.
Finally,
to be out on a Sunday enjoying the weather.